Hi, this is Anupam Sharma, and this is skill test number 1 of front-end module for coding ninjas. And we are given a basic task to make a basic alarm clock using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript only. And this is how it should look like, and this is all the features it must have. First, let us set the alarm to see whether it is working or not. I'm setting it to the nearest time, and it is showing that it is set. Cool. Now moving on to the next part. First, to set the new alarm as well. I'm setting it for 25 and it is set, and 28 it is set. So you can see you can add as many as alarm you can want, and you can delete them as well. So we'll wait for the alarm to ring. The alarm is going to ring. Cool. So this is working. Now moving on to the next part, which is the code section. So I hope you like the ringtone very much. So now let's see the HTML part. As it is very basic, not much to explain. You can see the heading, it is alarm clock in the page you saw. A div class is the label input, and alarm list you also saw, and I have included this JS script here, not in the head section. And yeah, this is all. And yeah, and this set alarm is directly linked to the JS code here. So yeah, this is all in this HTML page to explain. Alright, now moving on to the next part, which is CSS code part. As you can see, I have included the script file also, and this is button is linked to the JS part. We'll see when it comes. So moving on to the CSS part, I have used the container. This whole white box is container. I have set it to center and little bit above the center so that it looks good, and we can add as many as alarm we can want. And I have used little bit of padding as well. You can see most of the I've used very simple colors as well, not too much fancy colors, as it was not mentioned and not required to do that. Now moving on to the last part, which is script, JavaScript code, and where the actual functionality is going on. So I have divided this JavaScript code into 4-5 parts. First, it is the basic need to show the time, which you can see the digital clock is running here. So first function is using it is updating the clock, hours, minutes, second. You can see here there I have used const. I have used const here, not let where, so that it doesn't get reassigned every time. And whenever you are setting the alarm, you are seeing that it is default, it is set to the clock time. So this is to enhance the user experience so that he doesn't have to go for the random time, just setting the default time. And here is alarm. Moving on to line number 12, alarm list. Here you can see the alarm list as well. Whenever you're setting the alarm list, you can add. I have then jumped to the line number 13 so that you can see the how many alarm I am setting. Here it comes. So let me set. I'm setting the random time, right? So it is showing this is wrong. All right. So you are seeing that it is working. So this is and I here used the append child and remove child feature, sorry, function, so that you can add as many as alarm or delete as many as you can want. And if you enter by mistake, if you enter the wrong time in line, you can see in line number 35 it will alert you, please select the valid time. And the most important part of this code is in the line number 15. It this part, it checks the alarm you have set, and every time it compares with the clock ticking. Once the alarm, you can see the if condition here, once the alarm you have set, it matches with the current alarm and the current time, it rings, as you heard my alarm ringtone, which has, I think it's good. So this is all I have to explain, and thank you for your valuable time to whoever it is listening, evaluator or the viewers. I'll be very thankful if you share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.